The 34th Annual Hussain Day Convention held at Shia Aramgah in Richmond Town, Bengaluru, brought together religious leaders, lawmakers and members of different faiths under the theme Secularism for Global Peace. The convention presented the message of Imam Hussain and the tragedy of Karbala as a universal stand against tyranny and a call for justice, humanity and interfaith unity. Pandit Vijay Kumar Sharma described Karbala as one of history's defining moments, saying Imam Hussein's sacrifice was not for power but for truth, justice and righteousness. He said, the first lesson of Karbala is to stand against injustice regardless of personal loss, adding that silence only strengthens the oppressor. Comparing spiritual figures, he said, Lord Rama represents dignity, Gautama Buddha compassion, Lord Mahavir non-violence and Imam Hussain justice and self-respect. Rajya Sabha MP Pawan Khera explained Hussainiyat as an unwavering commitment to resisting injustice. He said Imam Hussain fought not for power but against illegitimate power and stressed that secularism is a shared responsibility. According to Khera, India can become truly secular only when people understand and respect one another's spiritual traditions. Calling Karbala a fight for justice rather than a conflict between religions, he said Hussain belongs to everyone and urged people to find the Hussain within and continue the struggle for truth. Representing the Christian community, Father Adrian Mascarin said, both Islam and Christianity honor sacrifice in the pursuit of justice and peace. He noted that Imam Hussain demonstrated the truth prevails over falsehood and righteousness over oppression, adding that his sacrifice remains relevant in a world still facing violence, corruption and injustice. Referring to recent interfaith initiatives by Pope Francis, he said Christian-Muslim relations are improving and called for stronger cooperation to build a secular India and a peaceful world. Aga Sultan, convener of Hussain Day, said Karbala teaches people to speak out against injustice wherever it occurs. He said respect for all religions and communities is central to the teachings of Prophet Muhammad and stressed that protecting the Constitution of India and its secular values is the duty of every citizen. He added that while all religions preach peace, conflicts are often driven by political and economic interests rather than religion itself, urging people to preserve India's diversity through dialogue, tolerance and unity. The convention concluded with a collective appeal for people of all faiths and communities to draw inspiration from Imam Hussein's sacrifice and work together to uphold justice, constitutional values, secularism, social harmony, and peaceful coexistence. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.